I hope you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on social media marketing tips for beginners. And if you're new to this channel and you like what you hear, like, share, subscribe as I do drop content on how to help you grow your online business, how to get started in online business, and also how to get started in affiliate marketing if you're looking for a way to make a small chunk of change. With that being said, we're gonna jump right into the video. One tip I give to people quite often is about social media marketing. Try and get to start in making a Facebook business page. Why? And I know you might ask, why start a Facebook business page? Number one, you can use a Facebook business page as leverage to grow an audience, which an audience should, if you're just starting out, your audience, your target goal should be to reach 100 people, because it is fairly easy to reach a customer base of 100 people through Facebook without advertising. And sometime this week, I'll make a video and show you how to build a list doing this versus trying to market to people on your friends list. Why? Because 99% of most entrepreneurs say that a lot of their friends don't even support them. And if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, a lot of times people will not support you until you make it. I mean, I know it sounds crazy. I know it's a little funny, but a lot of times people won't join your business until you make it. The second place I would suggest to get more credibility to try to even out this and to get your 100 perfect people is through YouTube videos. Why? Because you never know who's on YouTube who may like your content, like your audit, like your service or product that you're selling, and would be more likely to subscribe to your list. And that's where you can make some great sales. I say YouTube because back when I began back in '09, that was the first place that I went to and I made my first sale. Number three, another tip for social media marketing: try and research the market with Facebook groups. Ask questions. And when after you ask these questions, if you have a big response, communicate and respond back with these people. When it takes 7 to 12 basis points before you could build a customer. So when you have back and forth conversation 7 times, then you could friend request a person, because they know who you are. They're more likely know and trust you, and from there you build a relationship that leads to a sale. I know a lot of people like to tell people you can inbox people and you can do this to people, but a lot of people nowadays, they do not like that method unless they already know you. So the best things to do is YouTube, Facebook business page, and also, last but not least, post questions on your Facebook personal page, such, hey, do you know someone that might have been affected by COVID that's looking to build a part-time income? And if they say yes, if a couple of people, even if it's 10 to 20 people say, yes, I do, I'm looking for a way, then that's when you start the conversation with them. And after you start the conversation with them, you can possibly set an appointment to set up a call or inbox them. See, one thing about setting up calls with people is you have a better chance of closing a sale, but through inbox, people can quickly delete your message, unfriend you, and so on. And another great thing about YouTube, and why am I touching on YouTube and Facebook? Because YouTube and Facebook are the best places to go. If you're trying to build an audience through social media, I know a lot of people say Twitter and doing Twitter ads and LinkedIn ads, but if you're just, I'm taking this from the mindset, you're just starting out and you don't have a whole lot of money and you're trying to build an audience to get some money so that you'll be able to grow, make money, possibly sometime later become an influencer, because a lot of this stuff about social media marketing and online marketing and affiliate marketing online is a whole bunch of crap. I mean, I know you got these ads that say, "Hey, I made 400,000 in affiliate commissions in less than 30 days." But what they're not telling you is these people had huge audiences already, and they had huge email list built already, because it is no way possible for you as a beginning affiliate to make 400 something thousand. That's unrealistic for most people. Now, I would say you would be able to make it, and you will be able to make anywhere from $500 to maybe $1,500. But to go as far to say it's big numbers like a $500,000 is simply unreal. It's unrealistic. If you like what you heard so far, share, subscribe, comment, give me some feedback. I always like to know what the listeners think. Let me know how I can improve this channel, how I can give you more information. And with that being said, have a nice day.